Among the hills in the southeast of the splendid Yunnan Guizhou Plateau lies the lustrous pearl,丘北County.丘北is a warm place with humid air and unique geographical advantages. It is where the Yi and Zhuang people have lived and worked for generations. It is the place with beautiful Puzhihei village, Bailong Lake, Fengwei Cave, and rocks with monkeys.丘北has been inspired by its tourist industry, which brings high-speed railways, airports, and highways to丘北. Now,丘北has great transport connecting to central Yunnan and well-developed agriculture and power industries.丘北is thriving as the Yunnan-Guangxi corridor. Yunnan people have begun to grow industrial hemp for various uses since ancient times. Li Shizhen from Ming Dynasty wrote in his book Compendium of Materia Medica that hemp seeds benefit the spleen and stomach. Taking hemp seeds in the long term increases our longevity. Hemp was ever since shrouded in mystery, but with time going by, the advance of science and technology allows us to strip away its mystique and to make good use of it. In 2010, Yunnan province was authorized by government to grow industrial hemp legally. Years of cultivation experience made丘北hemp famous around the world. Legal industrial hemp must contain less than 0.3% of THC. As a high-value plant, hemp is now widely used in multiple areas like textile, paper manufacturing, food, medicine, hygiene, daily chemicals, leather, automobiles, construction, decoration, and packaging. It can even replace minerals as a reliable production material. Its flowers and leaves contain more than 100 kinds of active ingredients, among which CBD, or cannabinol, is the most medicinally valuable and has a wide application. It's mainly used to treat epilepsy, depression, and Parkinson's disease. Besides, with its medicinal properties in relieving pain and inflammation, easing anxiety, reducing nausea and anorexia, as well as improving sleep, CBD can also help treat nervous system diseases, cancer, and tumor. In 2010, Yunnan province became China's first province to legalize hemp cultivation. Yunnan listed hemp as a priority in biomanufacturing industry development. The business model has three parts regarding the farming management in upstream, manufacturing management in middle stream, and marketing in downstream. Hemp industry has relatively high profitability according to data analysis from listed companies around the world. Yunnan province has fine-tuned its regional policy mechanism for industrial hemp, given full play to its regional advantages respectively, promoting various factors to flow and gathering effectively, improving motivations to innovate, creating a high-quality developing system, forming a regional economic planning featuring complementary advantages and high-quality development.丘北has the sustainability to produce high-quality industrial hemp with its unique geographic advantages and natural resources. Yunnan Wuma Industrial Hemp Company has planted more than 1,000 mu of industrial hemp to guarantee the production of CBD. Wuma has a full set of CBD production line and having its own core technologies and equipment for CBD extraction and production. A research team of industrial hemp from Institution of Economic Crops at Yunnan Academy of Agricultural Sciences has been focusing on industrial hemp research. For years, they have conducted more than 20 scientific research projects on different fronts, ranging from national high-tech development and public welfare to natural science and public security. Yunnan also established China's largest hemp seed bank and a cannabis variety database. It has been 30 years since Yunnan province founded an industrial hemp research team in 1989. Apart from seed breeding and cultivation techniques, research team also focuses on how to extract active ingredients like CBD and CBG, and the efficacy of CDB, CBG, and THC. Now we have developed several CBD extraction technologies independently, including molecular distillation developed by Kunming Biotechnology, solvent extraction technique developed by Hankang Biotechnology and Hansu Biotechnology, and supercritical carbon dioxide extraction technique developed by Hemp Biotechnology. All of these techniques are world-leading techniques. according to Zhang Market Research. The global industrial hemp market was about $3.97 billion in 2018, and it is expected to generate around $9.64 billion by 2025. A state-owned investment platform for industrial hemp was founded on 22 October 2019 in Yunnan. We're aiming to build a complete industrial chain and expand overseas markets. With a complete chain of cultivation, production, marketing, and distribution in place, product quality and sales growth will be guaranteed. There are 8 ethnic groups living in丘北, which are Han, Zhuang, Miao, Yi, Yao, Bai, Hui. The population of丘北's ethnic minority groups is 287,000, accounting for 62.52% of the total population. Local Miao people has a tradition of making unique costumes by hemp fabric. This tradition has opened up a window for people across the country to learn its ethnic culture.丘北's booming tourism industry benefits from Puja He, Bailong Lake, and Fengwei Cave. In 2019, there has been 5.85 million tourists visiting the county. The tourist crowds help bring丘北's industrial hemp museum and hemp-themed homestay into the spotlight, allowing more business-known industrial hemp in丘北. Since 2019,丘北people has implemented the 5-pronged poverty alleviation measures poverty alleviation policies on industry development, education, relocation, ecological compensation, and social welfare. On 17 May 2020, the county was removed from the poverty list. The丘北people had to eke out a hard living for generations, but now everything has changed, as industrial hemp's growth cycle only lasts for 150 days. The return of investment period is relatively short for farmers and business. Industrial hemp, as a low-cost, easy-to-grow plant even on barren land, can increase income for farmers considerably. Since 2020,丘北County has grown a total of 16,268.3 mu of industrial hemp. It is expected to acquire 1,500 tons of dried flowers and leaves. The estimated output value of industrial hemp is 15 million RMB. Industrial hemp industry has achieved initial success. By 2021, the county is estimated to grow 100,000 mu of industrial hemp, process 10,000 tons of hemp flowers and leaves, and produce 50 tons of CBD. Without all kinds of concepts and bubbles, the profit model of industrial hemp gets much clearer. Government and public are gradually recognizing industrial hemp's values and aiming to develop a promising market. We hold a belief that industrial hemp and CBD will grow into a competitive market again. A wealth of ecological endowments and丘北ancestors' endeavors create a rosy picture of harmonious development and rural rejuvenation. The丘北people, with their diligence and kindness, is marching ahead tirelessly. The丘北land, baptized by winds and rains, is now heading toward a bright and thriving future.